Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Mike P, multi-million-dollar real estate investor, and today I'm showing you guys how to flip a house. Today's day 4, a step-by-step beginner's guide on how to flip houses, okay? And I'm super excited to show you guys how much progress we got done so far just in 4 days. Look, I'm gonna take you guys around back, show you guys a little project we got going on back there that we're getting ready to start. Hey, make sure you guys watch my other videos. Make sure you guys tap in and understand what's going on step by step and how much progress we're seeing in a day and 2 days. Every other day when we show you guys this. We got a roof up here that we're gonna need to fix right here. So we're gonna re-roof this whole entire garage. We're gonna redo these garage doors. We might put new ones on, or we might just redo the doors. I'm not 100% sure. Look, everything here we can't knock out and put in brand new. This is why the guys ended up selling me this project, guys, because they didn't know exactly what they were doing as far as rehab. They thought this rehab was gonna cost them 100 plus grand. Rehab's not gonna cost us 100 plus grand, guys, because we know what we're doing. Keep in mind, guys, we also own the property next door, okay? Here's the roof, the back of the roof. You see how shot it is? So we're putting on a whole new roof there. We are gonna replace that. We are gonna redo the whole entire roof. Believe that. Some of our roofing stuff that we're gonna get, some trash in here. Just kind of show you guys the layout on exactly how everything's looking right now, okay? Kind of our setup. We're gonna redo these doors back here. Look, when you come in, wainscoting up here. Remember, this was all panel board on the bottom of this right here in this kitchen, okay? We're getting ready for paint in this room. We got all the cupboard handles off of here, in here now, finally. Got the cabinet speckled. We got our electrician running lights so we can have a can light right above that sink there. What else do we got? We got in here, working on getting our vents painted all black in here so we can re-put the vents back on after we put the flooring in. So this could be the bedroom, okay? Another bedroom added to the house, a huge bedroom at that. Nice size bedroom anyhow. We also got the electrician with the can lights. We're gonna do can lights in this living room. We also got this fireplace painted black already. Look, man, step by step, day by day. We got outlets. We're switching out outlets. Getting our outlets switched out to newer outlets, to brand new outlets. Fixing that there, gonna get that painted. Back here, we got all this whole hallway we got painted. It's no longer with this trim, you see, with that wood all over like it is in here. See the wood trim everywhere? Well, all back here is already painted, guys. If you look through here, we got the whole bedroom painted here. Just need to change out the outlets in here. Bedroom pretty simple. We're gonna change out the light fixture, get it painted. So that's kind of like what it's gonna look like. Here's another bedroom. Again, just needs outlet switches. We need a new light. We got it painted already. We got 3 or 4 rooms painted already. Show you guys the bathroom. How's it looking? We got cement board on the floor already. We're gonna do a countertop here on the counter here. We're gonna tile this back here. We're gonna probably put Wayne's up over some of this tile here. We got Durarock already up on the bathtub and the shower surround. We're gonna do tile all the way up the wall. We're going to get tile soon here. We'll refurbish the tub. And it's not going to be really that much cheaper than a brand new tub, but at the end of the day, it comes down to switching out all the plumbing. And, it's a day's worth of work just dealing with the plumbing stuff over there, This bathroom here, we're going to, pull out the toilet, of course. Probably do Wayne's coating again over this, all this old tile. We're going to see how much of this we can actually keep and maybe do the same thing we do with a countertop over the top of it, maybe something to the nature of, or maybe possibly use this bath kit to refurbish the sink and everything like that. How far we plan on going with the rehab, okay? Fine line, it's a juggling act with the difference between under rehabbing the property and not getting any money back, So you want to make sure you still make it a quality product. You got to be keen on quality. But at the same time, you can't treat it like it's a $1 million mansion and rip out this whole house and rip it down to the studs. You're going to be poor. You're going to go broke. You know what I mean? You don't want to go broke. Let me show you guys the basement too and how much progress we got down there. It's looking good down there too as well. We got it up. All this was not all drywall. It was all concrete walls. Oh, we got the fireplace painted black down here too. Got to get some flooring in down here. That'll be later. We got our ceiling that we need to fix, the part of it. Refurbishing the parts that they need to. Getting it painted, some of it painted. Getting it speckled and ready for paint. Had to do an access panel here because we had some leakage here, but we fixed it. You want to access there just in case any other problems arise. Back here in this utility room, we're really just going to paint this utility room. Not too much to see back there. A furnace and a hot water heater. Mechanicals, which are important. You're getting your electrical. We're going to change out the electrical too. At least need to probably change out the box, maybe. But guys, just stay locked in. I want to let you guys know, hey, y'all got any questions, let me know. Remember, ask the right questions. Ask questions like, how do I scale my company, right? How do you find employees, right? The question of just how much money I'm going to make on this property ain't really going to help you a whole lot. It really comes down to like, how do you get to that point is the question. If you ask the right question, you get the right answers, you can actually help yourself. Me giving you a profit margin really don't help you a whole lot. I tell you the profit margin, no problem. I don't care, but it's just not helping nobody really. You know, we're going to make around 123K. That's our goal to try to make on it. And we'll see what happens in 60, 90 days. But, you know, a lot of times we got numbers that we want, but, you know, you got to drop the price sometimes after 30 days on the market, 10 grand, you know? So now you made 112K or 113K instead of 123. So, you know, sometimes closing costs go up 5, 10K. You know, things happen in this game. It ain't like going to work and getting a paycheck every week, guys. Like, you know how much your paycheck going to be every week, you know? I don't know how much mine going to be every week. I don't get paid every week, but that's why I get the big reward at the end. You know, I'm taking the risk. And that's what life is about, risk. The more risk you take, the more you get paid. You got to understand that. And guys, I'm not telling you guys this from sitting up in a skybox, sitting up next to my computer and saying, oh, I flipped houses 20 years ago. I'm actually on the ground showing you guys how to do this shit today, every day at another property, okay? You know, and this is day 4 of how to flip properties for beginners and pros and whoever else that wants to know. It's a process that you just got to get down and understand, and you'll understand how quick it goes or how slow it goes. It's a lot to take in at once. Day by day, you don't see a ton of progress, but every week you do. You see a lot more. Things take time to do, you know, and you got to still, again, you got to have quality with them when you're getting them done. So stuff to think about. Other than that, guys, hey, look, make sure you guys watch my other videos and make sure you guys tap in. I'm giving it to you straight from the ground, man. So, you know, I've done this shit hundreds of times. So appreciate y'all tapping in. Make sure y'all ask the right questions and subscribe, and make sure you watch the last video so you know exactly how we got to this point and how we're going to keep going to this point. Watch the playlist, man. Keep watching.